Hello and welcome to Taik. This video is all about my upcoming conference in Power BI Summit, which is going to happen at 7th to 11th March 2022. It's a virtual conference and you need to pay for it. Actually, so if you click on the price here on this website, you need to pay $100 for this entire conference. That's really a big deal, because you will get a lot of learnings from the lot of speakers which they are from the experts of the industry, and also most of the speakers are also from the Microsoft itself. So it will be great learning from the Microsoft expert and also from the MVPs and the subject matter experts. I'm going to talk about this Power BI Gateway 101 in this virtual conference. You might think about gateway is just a gateway which acts as a bridge between the source and the Power BI service, right? But that is not the one. There are a lot of insight to that. I'm going to cover all those topics in this session. So please make sure you join this session and take the most out of it. See you in the virtual conference of Power BI Summit.